Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to apply and get the GitHub student pack. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. So in the main page in the upper right corner, what we want to do first is log into our account. You're going to have the login option. If you do not already see the login option, you can just go and sign up for your new account. And once you have created an account, you can log in. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we can take a look at all the repositories we have. We can take a look at the home icon. We can find our home info and so on. And now we can get started. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with applying for a student pack. So guys, as you can see right here on the official website of GitHub, we have some documents showing us what we can do, how we can get started applying to GitHub education as a student. What are the requirements, guys? You have to currently be enrolled in a degree or diploma, granting course of study such as a high school, college, and so on. You have to have a GitHub personal account, have a verifiable school-issued email address that you're going to be using, and be at least 13 years old. After that, you can go to GitHub education. That's going to open up this page right here where we can get started. So you can click the join GitHub option right here. That's going to take us to the option to get started with selecting and signing up as a student, school, or whichever option you want. So you want to proceed by entering your email and entering all the necessary info to get started for applying your student pack, and this is easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.